bow down to the king of pandemics, Mr. Science himself, never to be questioned, lunatics. A little old school recital about worshipping a false idol.
Die full shine, die full shine.
He started in the 80s, slinging AZT. Said it's safe for the gays, just trust in me. From monkey kidneys to IV drips, turned AIDS to gold off government scripts. Patents stacked, the blood ran thin. Your tax bucks fund the labs he's in. Side effects, that's just your fate. The science is settled, now vaccinate.
Hail Fauci!
The science pope,
Die Fauci, die!
selling fear with a side of hope.
Die Fauci, die!
From HIV to the COVID show, he's got the patent you'll never know. He brewed a potion, a spike protein hit, called it a miracle. Safe as shit, but tucked inside a sneak surprise. Patented virus past your T-cells' eyes. Peer review, nah mate, that's old school. Big tech bans if you obey the rule. Ask one question, you're anti-vax scum. Follow the science or you're just dumb. Gain of function games in Wuhan's den, cooking up bugs again and again. Signed the checks, denied the ties, while cashing in on global cries. The priest of patents, the lab rat king, his needles sting while the cash flows sing. Saint to spikes, the masked messiah, selling salvation through needle and fire. Bussel's lined up, 4, 5, 6. He grins while cooking his next big fix. Pfizer hymns and Moderna praise. Fauci's choir sets the world ablaze. Children dosed and elders too. Trust Saint Tony, he cares for you. But behind closed doors, the data's fake. Just follow the science for profit's sake.